This is called hair ice, and you see this walking through the forest every so often. You're walking around, and it's caused by a fungus in the ground on rotting wood, and it causes these little ice crystals, and they call it hair ice because the strands of it are about the width of a human hair. Some people call it cotton candy or candy floss, I think is what they call it in Britain. But hair ice is the term. If you want to find more of these on YouTube, Google hair ice and you'll find all kinds of pictures, or YouTube or Google too. Hair ice is what you want to look for. And so right now it's about 32 degrees Fahrenheit, and which is 0 degrees Celsius, and that's when you look for these things. The sun is just starting to peek through the clouds right now, and as soon as the sun hits it, it will start to go away. In fact, I think it's already started doing that a little bit. It's mid-afternoon right now. It was in the 20s earlier, and there was a lot more of these things when I was out looking around earlier. But I got my camera, came back out so you could see it. This is called hair ice, and it's just little formations that come out of the ground, and they're real fragile. And they're the width, see all those strands in there? It's just the width of a human hair, those little strands. And sometimes you can find some really amazing formations with it. But I'm going to break this one. And it just comes out of the wood. So there's wood there. It's caused by a fungus. The fungus creates the little hair-like structures that form these together. And sometimes you can find them in individual hairs. I mean, they're really tiny. This one has a bunch of them put together. You can see the hair strands all together. Anyway, just thought you like to see that. Here's another really pretty one. It's kind of like a flower, and they have that characteristic sometimes. But this one's coming out of a log. Again, it's created by a fungus inside the log, and it's formed around this little piece of grass that's coming out of the ground. Pretty cool though.